What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to talk about NIO, what it did today, just overall technical analysis like we do every single day on NIO. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord or server, link in the description below. If you need help throughout the day, I'm here for you. Just DM me or add me in chat and I'll try to get to your question. Let's get right into the video and let's break down this whole NIO scenario. So if you were watching NIO today, it pretty much did nothing. Yes, it was down 38 cents, and that was nothing compared to what NIO was up today. Now, when I say today, I mean this morning, right? The reason why is because we pushed all the way up to $59. Now, we've talked about this in multiple videos. I said that $59 mark is a strong resistance, and what happened today? We literally got rejected by it the same place today. So we know that this level is a confirmed resistance. We knew that already. We knew that we got rejected here. We got rejected here. We've got rejected multiple times before. But I would like to keep something in mind though. This time when we got rejected, we didn't get out of the green box. So when we got rejected over here, we fell out of the green box, our buy zone, and then we traded it underneath it. That's where it looked like we were heading on the downtrend. But yesterday, we came right back up, kind of bull flagged right here, and I thought today was going to be bullish, and it actually looked bullish until we got that sell-off. So let's actually go to the 15-minute time frame. I normally trade on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at what happened on the 15-minute time frame. So today is February 4th. We opened up at $59, and then for the rest of the day we just downtrended. So if you were watching NIO today and you were watching it right at open, then you probably were disappointed because you thought today was going to be green, and it was green to begin with. It was opening up strong. Today looked like it was just going to be another blast off day, and we were going to push up past $59, and then what happened? We got rejection. Sellers came in and pushed price down, and then after the selling finished right here at support, we found support. Once again, we based out like we've done multiple times before. We based out, and for the rest of the day, what did we do? Absolutely nothing. So all of our action happened in the beginning of the day. We had that sell-off in the beginning of the day. So the first, hour, we had that sell-off, and then the rest of the day was completely nothing. I mean, yeah, we had some intraday penny moves, literally penny moves that didn't do anything. So this action today, if you're scared of what NIO did today, trust me, I wouldn't be worried. This was just either it was a cool off day and then this is gearing up for another move up, or NIO may be heading for a leg down. But it stayed in our buy zone for a reason, and that's because it held there. There were buyers here. You saw that on the 15-minute time frame where we were selling off right here. But then the next candle, the next 15-minute candle, buyers were found. That's why it was green, and then we just pushed up and we stayed above the support. So right here we were flirting right above it. We could have broke through it. We could have today if there weren't enough buyers there, but we didn't, and that shows me that there are still buyers at that level, and they want NIO, for at least now, to hold that level. So that is something to keep in mind. That is a bullish sign since it held that level. So tomorrow's Friday. Keep that in mind. A lot of action doesn't happen on Friday, and if it does, it's normally in the first part of the day. So most of the action on Fridays happens within probably the first hour, I would say. After that, it's pretty much dead. We just either consolidate or we do nothing basically for the last part of the day. That's pretty much how every Friday is across the whole board. So that could happen tomorrow. So if we get a move tomorrow, it's most likely going to happen in the morning. It's going to happen in the morning, and we'll probably push up if we are going to push up. So let's look at the levels. Let's talk about what's going to happen tomorrow or what we won't happen tomorrow. So if I'm in NIO and I'm obviously wanting to be bullish, that $59 mark is something we have to break through. There's a reason why we had that as a resistance, and because it got rejected today, and it got rejected multiple times before. Back here, several times back here as well. So we know getting above that is bullish. So our main focus tomorrow, hopefully, I know it's a Friday like I mentioned before, is getting above $59 and staying above it. So if we're able to get above $59 and stay above it throughout the rest of the day, then that's a good sign heading into next week. If we can get above $59, I would question we might actually hit all-time highs next week. Now that is a big proposition, but getting above $59 is something that's extremely bullish because we got rejected multiple times before. Getting above it and holding above it is what you want to see. And then, like I said, I would think we might be heading back to all-time highs if we can get above it and hold above it. Not get above it and then sell right off. We need to hold above it. We need to close above it. So if I'm watching NIO tomorrow, that's the bullish case scenario, getting above $59 and staying above $59. Now the bearish case, obviously we don't want that to happen, but we have to factor it in like we do every single video. Bearish case, we get below $57. We get below this range right here, $57. Getting below that is bearish because then we'll still be in this downtrend. Even though we're starting to reverse right here, so that's good. We broke this downtrend, but just falling back down again, like this right here, let me draw it out for you. Falling back down is still in that downtrend. Even though it's not this same trend line right here, we would still be in a downtrend. So obviously, if you're bullish on NIO tomorrow, which all of you are, we need to hold $57. Now, right now, you can just see this as us consolidating. We've really been consolidating in this green box right here pretty much for the last, 2 weeks? 2 weeks we've been consolidating around this, so keep that in mind as well. NIO is just kind of cooling off. We can see after we had this massive rally throughout the end of December and into early January, we pull back, and now we're just kind of consolidating. So that could be also a possibility with NIO. Overall, I'm still bullish on NIO. We're just basing out here. It looks like we're just bull flagging, and hopefully we get that move up to next week past all-time highs. So $59, if you're bullish on NIO, is the level you need to look at for tomorrow. If it breaks $57, that's where we're bullish for the second. We're not bullish, overall long-term on NIO, never. But that's just for if we get below that for the moment. Either way, though, I'm super bullish on NIO. I hope it does go up tomorrow for all the people that are in it. Thank you for watching the video, and like always, let me know in the comments below. Are you liking NIO at this price point? Are you adding on to your levels? What's your whole goal with NIO at this level? Do you have enough money where you can just average down, average up? Let me know what you're doing. Either way, thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video.